This dance starts with weight on your left. You're going to start out with a right skate, right shuffle, left skate, left shuffle. Then you're going to do a right pivot, right shuffle, left pivot, left shuffle. Then you're going to do a weave, which is a cross over, step beside, cross behind, step beside. Then you're going to do a rock, recover, shuffle, side shuffle to the right. Then another weave, cross over, step beside, cross behind, step beside, left rock, recover, quarter turn shuffle. So back to beginning of dance with the skates.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
There's one restart in this dance, and it starts after the 16 counts. So these are the first 16 counts. So you're going to do a right skater, right shuffle, left skater, left shuffle, step, pivot, right shuffle, left, pivot, left shuffle, restart here with the skaters, and then into the rest of the song.